He wasn't alone.
You don't get
He
to
was
bring
dumb,
friends.
man.
They're not my friends.
Don't worry. No charge for them.
And why would I want them?
They were trying to grab your prize. They work for the mercenary. The masked man.
BANE.
The subtitles are off.
Get him on board, I'll call it in.
The flight plan I just filed with the agency lists me, my man, Dr. Pavel here, but only one of you. First one to talk gets to stay on my aircraft.
Or the same as I've never seen.
Who paid you to grab Dr. Pavel? He didn't
Fly
play so
soldier.
good. Who wants to try next? Tell me about BANE. Why does he wear the mask? A lot of loyalty.
Day one of posting racist
Well, perhaps
links
he's
until
wondering why
Forsen
someone would
stopped
shoot a
doing
man
link intros.
before
Wait,
throwing him out
did
of a
you say
plane.
no more links yet? Oh no, I forgot to include a link.
At least you
Well,
can talk. Who are
wait,
you?
that's the
It
wrong
doesn't matter
one.
who we are.
Wait, one
What
more
matters is our
try.
plan.
There we go.
No one cared who I was when I put on the mask.
If I pull that off, will you die?
It would be extremely painful
You're a big guy.
for you.
Was getting caught part of your plan?
Of course. Dr. Pavel refused our offer in favor of yours. We had to find out what he told you.
Nothing! I told them nothing!
Well, congratulations. You got yourself caught. Sir? Now what's the next step of your master plan?
Crashing this plane. With no survivors. They expect one of us in the wreckage, brother.
Have we started the fire?
Yes. The fire rises. Calm down, Doctor. Now is not the time for fear. That comes later.
That comes later indeed.